Hi guys, I received another package from Purèz Cosmetics. I just opened the box because there's a lot of personal information on the top, but I haven't looked what's inside the box yet. So I was thinking I'm gonna do the unboxing with you and then just have a look at the products. Just have a look which ones I can try out and which ones I can swatch, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts on the products. So let's just start packing out. There's 3 bottles. I'll open them now. I did get my nice Purèz card with just some details on the brand. Let's see what I got. Okay, I got another of the revitalizing face and eye creams. I do use this one a lot as a primer when I have a bad skin day and I just want to boost my skin, just give it a bit of a healthy boost before I apply makeup. So this is it has a bit of a herbal scent. It's a very lovely product. I will use this one upstairs in my bathroom and then keep the other one here with my makeup table. Okay, next we have cleansing lotion. It's got that same phytotherapy branding. I think it's from the same series. So I am going to be washing my face for you guys. So we'll get into that. I haven't used this one before. I'm just going to remove the box. It's in the way now. And the last one I got. Toning lotion. Oh, that's interesting. It's a clear liquid. It looks like it's a sprayer. So I think it's maybe like a mix of a toner and a moisturizer combined. Okay, so there's the products I got. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these for a while. I'll show you how I wash my face and use these products. I'm going to keep doing that for like about a week or maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll show you what impact it had on my skin. I'm very excited about that. So I've only received makeup products from them before, and obviously this one, but I use it as a primer, so I consider it as a makeup product. So I'm very excited to have some skincare products from them, and I'm very excited to let you know what I think about these skincare products. So hang around. I'm not going to come back later. I will just keep using them and then put it all together in this video. Okay, so just to take you through the routine I've been doing quickly. I start off with the Phytotherapy cleansing lotion. I wet my face and I wet my cellulose face sponge. Just apply a bit of that cleansing lotion on the face sponge, and then I just clean my entire face, my neck, my chest. After scrubbing everywhere, I just rinse it off with some clean water. Now, I've been doing this full routine for the last few weeks, every morning and every night. So after doing the cleansing lotion, I just clean my cellulose sponge, and then I add some of the toning lotion onto the cellulose sponge and just wipe my entire face with that. And then I go in with the Phytotherapy revitalizing cream. I haven't used any other face products, only the revitalizing cream, no under eye cream. I use this as my under eye cream and my moisturizer, my full face product for the last few weeks, purely because I wanted to see what difference it will make when I only use this product as my face product. And then when I'm done with the revitalizing cream, I just seal everything off with the toning lotion as a spritz layer on top of the revitalizing cream. Now, the immediate differences that I can see from using it consistently for the last few weeks, I can see some improvements in my skin tone. The overall skin tone feels more balanced, and I feel like my under eyes have less dark circles and just look a bit brighter. And I can also feel that my skin feels nice and soft. So there's definitely an improvement in only using these products over the last few weeks. Let me know what you think of these products, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye.